For many researchers, organizations, and questionnaire designers, it's essential that only a specific group of people can view and answer the survey questions. This ensures that responses are authenticated, access to the form is restricted, and multiple submissions are prevented. For example, this is especially important when your target audience is a group of employees or customers, or when you're running online exams or registration forms that require validated mobile numbers. To enable this, go to the Settings phase after creating your form. Then, under Advanced Settings, turn on the Respondent Authentication feature. There are 3 methods you can choose from: code, SMS, or email. Let's start with the code method. In this method, each respondent must enter a valid code before they can access the form. This code could be something like an employee ID, a national ID, or a custom code you've already shared with them. Just upload an Excel file with your list of codes. If you need to add more later, upload a new file. The system will merge it automatically and remove any duplicates. By default, each code is set to be used only once, but if you want codes to be reusable, you can turn that setting off. You can also add a custom message for respondents before they start the form, and choose whether or not their identity is visible in your results. If you decide to hide it, authentication details won't be stored, and you won't know who submitted the response. Otherwise, the results table will show the code, mobile number, or email used. Now, let's look at SMS authentication. Here, respondents must enter a valid mobile number and the one-time password sent to their phone before they can proceed. You can choose to send the verification SMS from Porsline's default sender number, or from your own service provider. If you want to limit access to a specific list of numbers, upload an Excel file with those numbers. Just like before, you can choose whether each number can be used only once or multiple times. You can also customize the message shown when someone enters the form and decide whether mobile numbers are shown or hidden in your results. Next is the email authentication method. Each respondent must create a free Porsline account before accessing the form. You can define one or more allowed email patterns to control who can enter. For example, use patterns like ouryourcompany.com, where the asterisk works as a wildcard. You can also add specific email addresses manually. If needed, you can include help text to guide respondents. As with the other methods, you can decide whether email addresses should be single-use and whether or not they appear in the results. Respondent authentication is one of the most practical features in Porsline's enterprise accounts. If you have any questions or need help setting it up, our support team is ready to assist you.